How to soften leather shoes. Leather shoes usually face the issue related to stiffness. Therefore, we should discover how to soften leather shoes with olive oil as well as other possible things in order to solve this problem effectively. How to soften leather shoes with olive oil. Olive oil certainly has great effect on not only our skin but also the leather of shoes. Before getting started with softening process, there is one key point that we need to remember. You should pay much attention on cleaning your leather shoes in order to keep them in the best condition, so that they can be easy to absorb the oil for the next step. This is considered as one of the most important stages, so that make sure not to ignore it by any way. Now, we will begin the softening process. Firstly, you need to prepare a piece of clean cloth, then apply the small amount of olive oil into it. After that, massage the cloth into the surface of your shoes. However, make sure to gently massage your leather shoes since repeating aggressive action will scratch or damage the leather. How to soften leather shoes with coconut oil. In addition to knowing how to soften leather shoes with olive oil, coconut oil is considered as the best substitute since it is cheaper and easy to buy. Due to being made of natural ingredient, coconut oil is extremely good at softening leather for a long time. Also, softening steps are quite simple to follow at home. You just need to clean the surface of leather shoes carefully, apply coconut oil into it and then massage the surface in a couple of minutes. You can easily see the result after letting your leather shoes absorb the oil in about 30 minutes. How to soften leather shoes with Vaseline. Similar to coconut oil, Vaseline is used frequently for softening our skin every day. However, you will get surprised to know that it is also regarded as a useful compound for leather softening as well. What you need to do is cleaning your shoes by using alcohol. Then, apply Vaseline into the whole surface of your shoes. After that, you need to hang out your shoes in dry place and you will quickly realize that your shoes will become softer in the end. How to soften leather shoes with shoe polish. Except from making leather shoes brighter, polish products also help to make them softer gradually. You need to apply some polish into an old cloth and then gently massage into your shoes for quite a while. Make sure that you do not damage the leather material caused by strong massage. Besides, you need to carefully choose suitable color of the shoe polish for your shoes. Moreover, repeat this process once a month will help your shoes remain its original color and avoid cracking. I hopefully think that all of my sharing about how to soften leather shoes with olive oil as well as other methods can help you solve many problems with this kind of footwear. If you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.